Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Perfecta espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we also had to replace some of the panels on the top of the machine. These are the newer panels, these are the older panels, and as you can see they definitely need to be replaced. These little tabs were broken and we're going to be cleaning these and then putting into this beautiful new cover. You can see the plastic on it. Brand new, looking great. We also service the machine itself. We replace the spouts. These spouts, as you can see, they don't look in the best condition. Yeah, you can see it better right here. They don't look in the best condition. They were already cracking. It's best to replace them. We also replace the roll unit of the machine, service lubricated transmission, and replace the O-ring of the generator. We also discarded as well. So yeah, we did a little bit of work on this espresso machine. Now starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. Then we're going to be using the steamer and the hot water. Pre-infusion and now extraction, and as you can see, steady stream coming out through the spouts. Excellent color as well. We're going on the third setting of the grinder and we are using our test coffee. Excellent quality as well, which is 1.5 ounces, which is DeLonghi, what DeLonghi suggests and recommends for the espresso shot. Hot water, as you can see, steady stream coming out through the one. Great temperature as well. And now we're going to be using the steamer function of the machine. The thermoblock over here needs to get up to temperature. Once it does, the water pump will pulse water through the entire system and we'll have steam coming out through the one. Now the machine is getting up to pressure. Because you can see an increase of steam coming out to the one. The pressure coming out to the one. Looking great. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Perfecta working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.